Mole, ko ngingo ko sone tātula pusaki. Ko lere mai me la paha. Atata. Today I've got Tongan nose flute, which is a traditional wind instrument. It's made out of whakakofe or pitu, which is a bamboo shoot. But when it gets old, they make it into this instrument. By my grandfather, Sone Taduna Pusaki Sr., and then my father taught me also. So I got my first whangawhanga when I was 7 years old. The first one that I got was a very small one, and it's a more high pitch. So yeah, around about 7 years old. It's been a very long journey because the guys who taught me they're not around me. So now I'm in my 30s and I'm just carrying it on. There is a sense of responsibility to carry it on because it is being lost in our culture today in Tonga. Poke o Tonga ka koe moa means family, siasi and whanua. Koia ka whai mo ui loa tolu. It is our responsibility and we know that we're doing our job. If one increases and one decreases in how we carry out our responsibilities, it's not going to be fully done to the capacity of what we wanted to achieve. You know, I'm very happy and very thankful that I was able to gain that experience, influenced by especially my grandfather and my father. They were the main two guys that were the ones that were teaching all of us. I just wanted to be like them and teach other kids this very special thing that we have as a family to carry it on and pass it on for future generations.
Suruh